Today we're going to walk you through how to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A12. All you're going to do is hold down on the volume down button and the power button at the same time, just like this. Get the volume down and power, hold, that's it. So you got to do it super fast. If you hold the button too long, then it will try to prompt to turn the phone off. So just again watch one more time. It's almost more of a tap really than a hold, but that will trigger your screenshot, and then it will let you look at the screenshot that you took, and you can then edit it and make any notes that you want to make to it. So anyway, that is how you take a screenshot, and hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.